Alright guys, so we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max FineWoven case. This is I think this is the green option. So let me tell you what color it is to make sure. I think it's the green one. It doesn't actually say what color it is. I didn't actually bought this, but it does. Yes, I think it's the green option. Just say it's a green option, guys. So this is the packaging. This is how it comes. Then you're gonna pull this side here, and then basically you'll be seeing the case all in its glory. Now this does have a soft, nice finish, even though Apple did use the compact materials to make this exact phone or this exact case. It does feel nice. It doesn't feel rigid or anything. It just feels really good, like they used cotton in this material. So really nice. I'm gonna grab my phone here to the right, and then we're gonna put it in there and see how it looks. Comes with these pieces of paper in there, and then let's drop it in. Swipe it up. There we go. That is the case. The corners itself, it feels hard. So these are definitely hard. Don't know how much protection you'll be getting with this case. I think this case is just for style pretty much. But the back does look really nice. You can't really tell. It doesn't really have, like, a really nicer look. It just complements the black in a sense, because it has this darker tone versus a more lighter finish. So it does look okay with this exact phone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The cutouts look nice, and the buttons are, let me see, yeah, they're pretty clicky. Pretty clicky, guys. Action button works. And then power switch. Yep, they feel really nice. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the unboxing of the FineWoven case. This is just the green color, and that's it.